you're interested in this IRONMAN 4x4 bumper, we will leave the link down below in the description. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. This is going to be an epic video. I don't know if y'all remember the 4Runner we had just a few short episodes ago. We sold that sucker to a subscriber. He asked us if we'd help him out and install this beautiful IRONMAN 4x4 bumper. We're going to turn this 4Runner into an overlander. It needs some armor on the back, so why don't we go ahead and take this Australian bumper, open it up, and get it put on this 15 4Runner right now on the hottest day in August. So let's hop to it and let's get it done. Alrighty, we got this Australian bumper all unboxed. Everything is absolutely perfect. The shipping didn't damage anything. And I don't know if it came all the way from Australia or not, but FedEx brought it out to the shop and just throwed it out. We got everything unboxed. We got all the little loose pieces here. We got zero instructions and zero instructions on the website. But you know what? We're used to that kind of stuff, so we're just gonna wing it. We're gonna get everything put together. We're gonna get the 4Runner pulled around in just a minute, rip that bumper off, and probably cut it up with a big grinding wheel or a circular saw or a body saw or a sawzall or a cutting torch. We're gonna do something. We're gonna get this bumper installed. It's gonna look 100% perfect Aussie bumper. So let's hop to it and let's get it done. Alrighty guys, just like that, we've been working in the heat of August. It's going absolutely amazing. For no instructions, I think this thing right here turned out 150%. It looks absolutely phenomenal. And all in all, it went on really easy. Once we figured out where to cut the existing bumper, that took just a little bit of time to measure all that out and cut it. But check it out, man. This bumper looks absolutely phenomenal. We'll pull the 4Runner out in the sun in a minute and kind of give you the once over of how it goes. But we just like a little bit of hooking up another light or two. And I think that they're supposed to send 2 amber lights and they sent 1 amber, 1 white. So we're gonna reach out to them tomorrow and maybe talk to them a little bit about that. But man, this thing is really coming together. So let's check it out in the sun. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we turned this 4Runner into an absolute super beast. It's still a super beast. The new owner, one of our subscribers, he wants to make this thing into something special, something phenomenal. So if you want to check out where this thing started from, click the link right here. Check out that video. That's the series this thing first started from. It's IRONMAN bumper. All in all, it went on really easy. So we're gonna finish getting it all bolted up, getting it all wired up. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. If you like this video and you like this content, drop us a like. If you're interested in this IRONMAN 4x4 bumper, we will leave the link down below in the description. We will pin the first comment. If you got a specific question about how we did something or why we did it, leave a comment down below. Until next time, we're out.